What is up, you guys? Pete DiCarlo here with DiCarlo Capital in a sea of red today so far, with the market being down massive. Basically everything on my watch list being down. We do have one big money buy that just came through, and I want to share it with you guys. Now, I want to preface that it is 10:38 a.m. Not sure what time you guys will end up seeing this, so please remember that these numbers are not going to be perfectly with what you're probably seeing right now, but this is a swing trade, and so the pinpoint timing of everything is not, super important. But looking at AMD right now, this is the ticker that we are watching. We have a major bull flag forming right here. We have pulled back down to $115 so far. And if we go through and actually set up our Fibonacci line, you can see that we are underneath this important fib line right now. We've given up many of the supports that we are currently holding now, and we have dropped down to about this support at like 120. Looking at this bull flag here, you can see the RSI is pointing down. The MACD has crossed to the downside. And honestly, even though we've caught a good little bounce here in the morning, I think the AMD will probably drop down to 115. But we have seen some very good buys come through AMD, which are very, very unusual, and that's what I want to share with you. So I posted within the Discord for our premium members, which you guys should definitely go check out. Our Discord is completely free. You guys get access to courses, live streams, seminars, webinars. It's all free. And on top of that, you also get access to the same exact bot to get these flows, these unusual buys, these heat maps, everything that I'm showing you right now. It's a $200 a month service that we just give you guys for free within our Discord. But if you are part of the premium group, you do get the flow posted by me personally and my trades. And this is the flow that I'm really watching so far today. There's a couple of them. One is these 14 $100 strikes. There was about $3 million worth of calls that came through here. This is very, very unusual. And then the other one that I'm watching is these 520 100s. And you can see here, these hit every single thing that we look for when we're trading. These have time, right? So 5/20/2022, they have a lot of time till expiration. They also hit the size. We have 1.3, 1.3, so 2639. Basically about $7 million worth of calls on these alone. This is one buyer. And then we also have urgency above the ask, a lot of sweeps. Even though there's some blocks in here, then when it's accompanied by sweeps above the ask, it's still very good. So we have size, time, urgency, which is everything that we look for. We have some really, really good buys here on AMD, and this thing is looking pretty good. Now, I still think that best entry on this is probably waiting for $115, because I think that when you're looking at setting this up right now, we do have earnings coming up here on February 1st. And I think that this is an earnings play, to be quite honest. But I just think that entering here may be a little early. I'm not going to hit this unless we hit 115 personally, just because I have so much money out there in the market. But if you really do want to just take a trade in AMD, it's not a bad idea to start here. The way that I would be trading this is probably just by, if you want to play straight up calls, which I'm not a huge fan of, I would probably just follow these calls, these 520, 2022, $100 calls, because they're in the money and they have time on them. Or I would probably play shares. That's like the two best ways that I would be playing AMD. Looking at how this thing is setting up, I would probably say that we have a really good resistance point up here at $143. And then I would say price target is going to be 143, 150, 160, and then my best entry would probably be down at $115. That's what I would be looking for. So I hope this video helps, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, check out the Discord. The link is in the description. You guys get access to tons of free courses, live streams, seminars, and webinars. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.